I want to show you how to include a web object in your Adobe Captivate project. Now, web objects are really cool, especially if you want to avoid having to update your project all the time as your video content changes. Now, I've created a course, this is just pretend now, on how to use a Blackstone grill. And one of the lessons I want students to see is how to make a smash burger. And this guy makes great smash burgers. Let's listen to a little bit of his video on YouTube.
Hey everybody, welcome to Mad Backyard. Today we're going to show you how to make smash burgers on a Blackstone griddle. We're also going to top them with grilled onions and an easy homemade burger sauce.
Delicious. If you don't have a Blackstone grill, I highly recommend them. But in any event, I want to include this video in my Captivate project. So I'm going to come down here to share. I'm going to go to embed, and I'm going to copy the embed code. So far, simple. I'm going to return to Captivate, make a brand new project. Over on the left side of the screen, from among the tools, I'm going to choose Media Block and Web Object from the bottom of the list. I'm going to select the web object. And over on the right side of the screen, my visual properties, I'm going to choose Embed Code, and I'm going to paste. Now, I recommend that you look up on the internet what these embed codes mean and how you can change them. And I'll show you one simple one like the width and the height in just a second. But I'm going to click outside the web object. I'm going to click Preview. I'll autoplay. And there's my video.
Hey everybody, welcome to Mad Backyard. Today we're going to...
Okay, I'm going to close the browser. I'm going to select the web object back in Captivate. And inside that embed code, I'm going to change the width and the height from 560 to 960, from 315 to 515. I'll click outside the web object, preview,
Hey everybody, welcome to Mad Backyard. Today we're going to show you how to make smash...
and there's your web object added to a Captivate project. I'll close the browser. I'll select the web object. One last thing to note, if you have e-learning content out on your web server already, you can use URL. If you've got something on your computer you want to add, you can choose System. Or, as I've already demonstrated, you can use Embed Code. All right, play around with that. Let me know your thoughts, and let me know how you're using web objects in your project.